Okay, here's the video related to the sound output. I have two speakers there and I have the headphones here. Currently the sound is sent to the speakers and I want to send them into the headphones. In Windows 10, to do that, I should right click this sound icon and go to Playback devices. Okay, and on this window I should choose where to send the sound by right clicking on it and set as default device. Okay, but this is the headphone and that is the speaker. So let's see how to change these things so that look like speaker and look like headphone and even the name. Okay, so let's try this one. Right click on it and go to properties, and instead of speakers type in headphones. Okay, and change icon. Let's select the headphone sign. Okay, and okay. Now it looks like a headphone and it sounds like a headphone. Now let's change this one also. Properties. Instead of that one, let's type in speakers. We'll leave the BenQ there because the sound is coming from my monitor, from the video card, through the HDMI port. Okay, let's change the icon also. Let's put some speakers there, and okay. Now these are the speakers and I want to set them to the headphones. Now this is the default. Now the sound will go here instead of there. Okay, that's how to change the names and the icons here at sound output. Playback devices, sorry.